Hey there, my name's Scott. This was not at all the first video I planned on making on my YouTube channel. But when I came across this, I thought, well, I ought to share this with people. People might be interested. I'd like to apologize if it's a poor quality, poor sound. I am recording on a very old iPhone because I'm a poor person. But I just want to say, I have well water. Right? Not city water, well water. But, as you can see here, that's a filter. It's a brand new filter. We change it every 3 months. Keep it nice and clean. Well, I've been having problems with the washing machine. Just ain't acting right. So, of course, me being a bit of a do-it-yourselfer type, I tore it to about 100 pieces, which was not easy considering that the lug bolt inside was completely seized and had to be chiseled apart. But I just wanted to share with everyone what it is I found in this washing machine. Now this has not been like a super duty type of machine. It gets used for regular household washing. That's it. Alright, look at this. What is that? Well, it looks like bone, so I would assume that would be calcium deposits. Now I'm no expert by any means. Yeah, no. Look at this. What even is it? What is this sludge? Oh yeah. Oh, that's so nice. But see here, you got filters there. Thank God there's filters there to filter that type of stuff out. You wouldn't want anything nasty getting in there, and you know. So I'm sure our clothes smell great. The water that came out of the pump smelled like rotten eggs and well, maybe a prostitute's ass at the end of the night. Maybe. I wouldn't know. I've never used a prostitute. All the men I've ever slept with have been free. I mean, women. Anyway. Whew. Thanks for checking this out. I just thought maybe you'd be interested in what it is that you're washing your clothes in, more than likely. Now, this is just a home machine. So I'd just like you to think. Just think. If you're washing your clothes commercially, just think. Give it a little thought. Just a little thinkaroo. Might as well be washing our clothes in the creek. Alright, I'll holler at y'all later. Have a good one.